Remember how I kept saying that the best thing about traveling is meeting people? This vlog is all about that. Every decision that I took before coming here, every single one, diverted me here. If you've been following me for a while, you know I was supposed to go to Vagamon from Munnar and then to Alleppey, but I forgot one turn and kept standing on the road to decide where I should head next. And finally went to Kodai, and then Vagamon, and then came to Alleppey. Because of all this diversion, I reached Alleppey 4 days late, and guess who I met here? Though she won't be in this vlog, but I have little something in the end. So after spending an amazing time in Vagamon with these guys, I came to Alleppey. It was a short 4-hour drive, and I decided not to shoot much and just focus on enjoying the drive. Reached Alleppey around 8, और उसके बाद की एक स्टोरी है जो मैं फिर कभी बताऊंगा. फिलहाल the next day I didn't do much, got my car washed, and later in the evening went to the beach, which is right in front of Zostel. You guys remember Pavitra from Kodai? She sent a cake for me at Zostel as she knew it was my birthday the next day.
Say now.
And these guys surprised me with the cake at midnight.
Not that.
Earlier that night I met Kiran, who was staying there and is an Instagram model and influencer. She had a shoot next day on like Feb 1st on my birthday on some island. So I asked if I can tag along and vlog, as it'll be a different experience. So this is my second day in Alleppey, and today I'm gonna go out and explore. So we're out to eat something first because जहाँ पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं it's an island and कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. काफ़ी जद्दोजहद के बाद एक जगह मिल जाएगी, वो भी गूगल पे सर्च करके. Some sandwiches and stuff, so we're gonna eat quickly and leave from here.
Ordered soup. Oh, sorry.
Juice.
And he's Vikas, birthday boy.
Hi.
Jagger.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
He's my friend.
Hi.
So you're here. So we have a team of photographers here. So they'll help me out with some Picas shots, hopefully.
He's an
We've started from here, and I think approximately 2 घंटे का शायद ride होगा ये. We're buying some toddy from here, or I'm gonna be tasting. Okay, I'll be lying. I tasted yesterday, but that was not good. Salty हो गया था, थोड़ा पुराना था. So we're gonna have fresh
no,
toddy.
because you're supposed to have fresh in the
Fresh,
morning,
yeah.
and that time only it's like pure. Later it ferments and it's not good for you.
Yeah, that's why we didn't drink that one.
And now we're going to try
Yeah.
fresh one. Thank you. How is it?
थोड़ा सा स्वीट,
Yeah.
बहुत थोड़ा सा सॉल्टी, अमेजिंग थोड़ा लाइक कोकोनट वाटर वाले टेस्ट नहीं है. Awesome. Finally.
Finally.
So we're having some amazing time here. Houseboat I want to go, but then उसमें they told me Josh, who's the manager at Josel, उसने बताया कि 6 बजे शाम को जाके वो लगा देते हैं. And then because fishing time हो जाता है और अगले दिन सुबह फिर वो 6 बजे start करते हैं 6 to like 11. So that becomes a little boring, you know. I mean, I can definitely work, but there's no point like staying overnight in a houseboat. I mean, not that there's no point, you guys can do experience that, but मेरा मन नहीं था honestly. I want to go back and chill with these guys because it's my birthday today. We haven't still reached the shoot location yet. एक रास्ते में आई थी, but then we bypassed that because that was too sunny.
It's gonna come. Nobody will. Oh,
This is the island.
my jungle has come.
So we've reached this island और जंगल है यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे अंदर जा रहे हैं. They're going for the shoot and I'm just going there for fun to go and see what's inside. Maybe take some drone shots ऊपर से, but देखते हैं. I think मुश्किल होगा. या तो ये बस इतना छोटा सा आइलैंड है और बहुत कचरा है भाई यहाँ पे. Dude, the water looks amazing actually.
Let's see. We will do best with whatever we have.
So these guys are preparing for the shoot and I've got like nothing to do, so I'll just wait and watch and chill. Actually अच्छी बात है, मेरे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है, so I can just enjoy.
Stand there, stay there, don't move, don't move. Look up, look to your left, up, yeah. Don't move.
I've never seen such a hollow log.
How's the tone?
Look at this and look at the next one. Look at this. You're sending me everything.
So shoot khatam ho gaya and just last couple of pictures they're taking. The photographer and model is inside. Rest of the crew is back here. तो अभी 4 बज रहे हैं and 6 बजे तक हम लोग पहुँच जाएंगे. And let's see, it's my birthday, so we're gonna go back and party. I'll be in Zostel and Kiran will actually go to Kochi because she has another shoot lined up from there. तो देखते हैं क्या सीन होता है आज का. और तो आई थिंक कहीं पे घूमने का टाइम मिलेगा नहीं, बट आई विल ट्राई एंड सी इफ देयर इज़ अ गुड सनसेट पॉइंट, क्योंकि काफ़ी दिन से सनराइज़ देख रहा हूँ और सनसेट नहीं देख रहा हूँ.
Have you ever had that feeling when you feel so peaceful yet incomplete? That's what I was feeling during the sunset. It was a perfect day for me, met such wonderful people, yet something was missing, and that's what I kept searching for.